यूट्यूब में लगा देंगे.
हाँ.
ठीक है. कौन सा चैनल?
Look at this. Just look at this. So on this route the sun is always behind me, so I am not able to capture my face very well, but we are having another biscuit. This is dark fantasy, normal one. The next stop is Kuntala Waterfalls, and it's 105 kilometers away, 2 hours, and it is gonna take us 10:50 to reach there. So we have got this highway now, and we are still 39 kilometers away from the waterfalls, Kuntala Waterfalls, and I'm feeling a bit sleepy, but it's good. It's not very bad. I've kept my mobile for charging and it's 56%. Let's have a biscuit now. This highway has good amount of traffic. I think this is the main highway, since this road directly connects to Maharashtra as well from Nagpur side. We are at guideHow. This is the whole setup. This is the mobile, and this is the new seat. Again the saddle stays, top rack and top box. The top box I will change. Top rack I will change for my next ride, maybe before Mumbai in Jan. So we are 17 kilometers away from the waterfalls, and let's again apply the same rule. Let's not expect much from that waterfall. Although 1 week back someone just posted that the waterfalls, like uploaded the photos of waterfalls, and there was water a week back. So that's why I do have expectations, but I'll try to help him. So for this waterfall we'll have to go through some bad roads, and that will be for next 11 kilometers, and we'll have to exit this highway, and then while going to Hyderabad we'll again have to connect on this highway. Here it is written Kuntala Waterfalls. So here we exit. No, yeah, the road is nice. Like the road is decent. Don't say nice. Look at the temples. If we are gonna go by Siddipet, we will see the Surupintat temple as well. Waterfall? अभी पानी रहेगा? हाँ रहेगा पानी. अच्छा. Unexpectedly, this guy knew Hindi. That's really awesome. Really helpful. And I fucking didn't realize that I am between animals and worst can happen. Luckily, I didn't crash, and I'm so sorry to that animals. I try to ride slow now. Unexpected things can come. Fuck. I think those boys were calling me, but I just then yeah, fuck. देना कितना देना है 50 भाई पानी रहेगा अभी कुछ ऑनलाइन कुछ चलेगा क्या पेटीएम फोन पे क्या फोन पे Kuntala Reserve Forest day trip has been really nice. Everything on the north is in the north is forest, and then there is this Nallamma forest as well. So Telangana has good forests. I don't know how much more we can record. Either we should take one battery or we should take power bank. I think I'll take the power bank with me to the waterfall and I'll pack everything else. Yeah, this is a forest. This really feels like a forest. I thought that Tiger Reserve would be something like this, and like this is also not more like scary. At night time, I was expecting that forest to be more foggy. This is how the bike is looking. This is how I am looking. Nice. We need to climb. So the people coming told that it's 1.5 kilometers to walk, but they've kept benches to sit if you get tired. So that's a nice thing. Guy told me 400 steps. Now 1.5 kilometers means 1500 meters, and your step is less than a meter. Like let's assume 2 steps per meter, so that should be 3000 steps. So the math is too wrong. It should be half a kilometer. Now the steps start. Walking in riding shoes is much more difficult. Riding shoes are not meant for walking, they're meant for riding. Okay, this is also part of Kawal Tiger Reserve. So the Tiger Reserve is huge, but there are no tigers. Just look at how many steps there are. There's so many steps, and I'm looking damn sexy. This part I'll be shooting in 1080p, and this video will be in 1080p. Wow, just look at this. Just look at this. There's a waterfall there. Is the waterfall, and this is the whole part. I can really take a nap here, and that's what we have came here for. I'll take a nap and then I'll go back. Ha ha ha. So the main tension is not about the power bank getting finished. The main tension is about the wire getting damaged. So I've kept my power bank inside the bottom pocket. That's why cargos are important. Cargo pants are the best, but I never liked a cargo pant. Finally we are here. They have really preserved it well. It's excellent. We have reached till here. Now I'm thinking, should we go there or not? Let's try. They said not to cross the fencing. We will obey them. But I'm fucking tired. This is easy. It's not slippery, so it's easy. We'll go down from here. Remember, how much ever friends you have, your life is mainly solo. So stop relying on friends. Start relying on yourself. Make yourself reliable. Face difficulties, triumph over them, and then people will find you reliable as well. And even if they don't, you know that you are reliable. So fuck the people. I hope nobody is listening to my bullshit. I'll upload on YouTube, and then I have become YouTube level shameless, not real life shameless. The goal is to become real life shameless, but YouTube level is fine for now. Now the main challenge is going that side, and I don't know how slippery this is again, but let's try. Okay, so that was all. We are now on this side, and now we'll go up and sleep. I'm too tired. We'll go up, we'll sleep, and then we'll go to the shops and we'll eat something, and we'll get back on the ride. Guys, please exercise. Go to gym daily. You know, I have so much of back pain right now. I feel like I should get married as early as possible. It really feels so good sitting in this nature, and if you see, everything is just forest, except this hut that they have created. Everything else is nice, and this is not a prime time. People mostly come here in monsoon. Even I will come next year if I stay in Hyderabad. It's amazing. I would love to see the water overflowing. Three step, 4 step, 5 step, 6 step, 7 step, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 44. So right now we are lying on a bench at the Kuntala Waterfalls, and this is the view for the waterfall. The waterfall is at good pace, and
यूट्यूब में लगा देंगे.
हाँ,
ठीक है. कौन सा चैनल?
मुंबई.
ठीक है. बाय.
Bye. Right now it's 1:15, and we slept for around 1.5 hours. I guess 1 hour, 11:15, 2 I guess, and the sleep is completed. So I just lost my count, but it's not 1.5 kilometers. It's not 400 steps. It's around 300 to 350 steps. Kuntala waterfall it is. Let's cover this half a kilometer stretch and reach at the shops, and then we'll meet. don't know if you guys can see or not, but there's some kind of shooting that's going on there in the middle of the forest, and the scene is beautiful. So we are not skipping the highway. The Google Maps is still rerouting, and it was taking me to a shortcut, but I don't want to take that shortcut. I'll instead stick to the highway. We're 172 kilometers away. Yeah, first we'll go to Kamareddy and then Hyderabad. Stop for swapping the battery of DJ as well as having a biscuit. हाँ मी आज हैदराबाद पासून 200 किलोमीटर आहे.
चाललास तू?
चाललोय ना, येतोय आता घरी. चाललोय.
जाऊन पण आलास?
टायगर रिझर्व ला गेलेलो.
हा जा घरी. घरी जा. बरं घरी गेल्यावर फोन करते मी. हा
ठीक आहे.
टेन्शन नाही.
हम्म. So if you see this Indalvai toll plaza, this is Indalvai village, and Indalvai village is also a forest. So everything is a forest, and everything is a forest reserve. Kawal is a tiger reserve without tigers. Right now we are just 96 kilometers away from Hyderabad, and I think this can be it. I'll directly reach to my home and I'll most probably talk with you guys, because as we come close to city it will be difficult to record.